switched over, or he did, from his Mahindra tractor over to his truck to try to make things a little quicker and easier. Hey guys, Capper here, welcome back. So today I was on the road. I had to do some more urology follow-up. I thought I was kind of out of the woods, but now I don't know that for sure. So anyways, this is just a raw segment of last weekend. I've been helping out one of our neighbors, Derek and Lisa, on their horse farm, and it was still a little bit wet, so it's always fun when you get to pull out a stuck vehicle. I'm not going to make fun of it in this case because I have a Ford F250 myself, but realistically this is all, 14 to 16 inches of wet fill we've been bringing in here because we are going to build a new lawn in this segment. He's got a 12-inch pipe that's buried. So we switched over, or he did, from his Mahindra tractor over to his truck to try to make things a little quicker and easier, and it's just a little too soft. So we're just going to give him a little boost in today's episode. Since I'm short on time, we're going to just leave it live, real time, so you could join us as if you are vicariously joining us on the farm. So I hope this helps on your Tuesday evening. Get a little bit of fresh air. We'll see you on the next episode. Thanks a lot. Let's see how this is going to go. So let's talk real quick about moving dirt and projects like this that seem pretty small, but they turn out to be bigger than you expect. I learned from one of my excavator buddies when they were building our pond here that moving dirt, even 50 yards from one spot to another, is a big deal, especially when you're dealing with, like in this case, we're probably building this up about 14 to 16 inches, this whole middle section, but moving dirt is a big deal. It takes a lot of time, and bringing up more than just like an inch or two does take some equipment and perseverance. So just food for thought when you're doing a dirt project, putting in a new lawn somewhere. You're good.